Across the ocean, I was trying to hide from my emotions, but now they're here to confront. Breathing in my neck, they're catching up. Ooh, simple as I try to make things just don't work anymore. I can't fake it, I am hurt to the core.
So we have to get off our boat and hop on the, I wouldn't call it a bus, I'd call it a truck or a tuk-tuk because of the great big Chinese dam.
I escape from every moment. My heart is wide open. Just
We are on our second boat after our little short tuk-tuk bus / truck ride across the dam. I think we're getting ready to go and hopefully we'll be there soon.
chasing the sun. That's the never-ending quest of my life. And the ghosts are always inches behind. Oh, breathing in my neck. Don't know what they want, but they're catching up nonetheless.
Randy! Ah! Randy! Jesus!
Daddy!
Oh, for the love of God!
Alright, buddy.
It's over there.
I would agree with that.
No, Daddy needs his phone. Daddy dropped his phone.
Record of all the stupid things your dad does.
But Squishy touched his phone this time.
Well,
Yeah, it's there. It'll be here. It'll be here. It's heavy. No.
he's moving the boat. He's moving the boat. It's okay, Cassell. They will not leave without him. Don't you worry. Hold it up again. Hold it up again. I want to know the most exciting thing that happened today.
I need to think because
So many exciting things happened on our 9.5 hours on the slow boat.
I got to play on my iPad for the whole day.
That was the most exciting thing that happened?
Yeah.
That was even more exciting than Daddy's drama?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What was the funniest thing?
Okay, Casela, what was the funniest thing that happened today?
Daddy jumped into the river to get his drone and his phone because he went in with his phone, but his phone was waterproof.
Good thing, hey?
Yeah,
Do you remember the name of the river?
Mekong River.
Good job.